So it's been an exciting ride with BlueMix, and I'm very hyped over this application. So, and I get tired of charts. So how about we see some live code? Does that work for you? It's always a little high risk, but you know, showing code at a developer conference is about like having a heart attack at a medical group. So it's not a bad place to be. So if you start to see things come down, please rush the stage and help us out. So we've got BART here with us today, and what we're going to show is pretty cool. So we've been talking about this whole notion of system of record and system engagement. So we're going to show how we're actually taking a database, and we're going to be drilling right into their mainframe in San Francisco and showing how we use BlueMix to extend that with mobile capabilities. So we're really going to truly show that system of record turning into a system of engagement. So I'd love to introduce to the stage, we've got Ravi Misra, CIO of BART, Slavik Zorin from Synchrony System, and Corey Grimes as well. Big round of applause. Ravi, thanks for joining us. I appreciate all the help. And why don't you tell us a little bit about BART?
Thank you, Steve.
Appreciate it.
Good morning, everybody. The San Francisco Bay Area Rapid Transit District is a heavy rail public transit system that connects the downtown of Oakland, San Francisco to the surrounding cities. BART operates 5 lines on 104 miles of track, 44 stations in 4 counties. BART started operations in 1972. With average weekday traffic of 400,000 passengers, it is the 5th busiest heavy rail rapid transit system in the United States. So that's 400,000 people looking for service every day, on-time performance. To support the round-the-clock operations, BART relies on the Maintenance and Reliability Information System called MERIS. MERIS is a maintenance system which is used by BART operations to make and break trains, to look at the status of the trains. It's a mission-critical web-based application that is used by supervisors and engineers to track the status of our cars. But there's something missing. It's not mobile. While our workforce is mobile, the application is not. So we had to do something about this to provide a better response and better service to our customers. We decided it was time for us to explore some options. So we called on Synchrony Systems, the team that we had a lot of confidence in, as they had successfully migrated our legacy application from a client-server environment to a Web 2.0. This time, Synchrony brought to our attention the possibility of using a cloud-based solution. This is where we were introduced to the possibility of developing using IBM Bluemix Cloud platform. Slavik gets excited about technology. I get excited about results. The key factors that helped us choose to pilot with BlueMix were speed of development, production deployment, or secure access to our on-premise database, because we didn't want the database to reside in the cloud. Today, you'll see a demo of the mobile app and how it was developed. And the results are impressive. Thank you.
Ravi, thank you so much. It's fantastic. Wonderful job.
Thanks, Ravi. Thank you.
Thanks. Slavik?
How are you?
Corey? Demo gods are with us today?
Absolutely.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Good. Well, let's talk a little bit about what you brought today.
All right. Well, we've heard from Ravi here about the MERIS and the web application itself, and what we have here is the mobile app. and the mobile app that is going to be used basically also by supervisors and managers to get real-time information as things change in the yard.
Fantastic. Good.
All right. So the next really is how we did it, and we did it with BlueMix, and we did use BlueMix and DevOps actually to extend the current application and to extend it, with a hybrid cloud and to provide instant access to the yard tracking and on a mobile device. We use the cloud integration that we can see behind us, cloud integration service to connect to the on-premise database, as Ravi stated, in a secure way, and also the backend service, the mobile backend service, in order to get the push notifications to notify. So we're ready to roll, actually.
Okay, let's take a look and see what you have.
Please take the app.
All righty.
You
have me tethered today.
Yeah, we do.
I have to be close with you here.
That's right.
So we see down here the mobile Maris app.
Yep.
Click on that.
Okay, that's your...
Excellent. I assume you've given me administrator access, so I don't need a password today,
Absolutely,
right?
only you.
Yeah. It's very secure today, very secure today.
All right.
So here what I see is Hayward, Richmond, Daly City, and Concord. I'm assuming these are rail yards.
That's correct. And you can tap on one of them, yeah.
Okay, and then I assume if one's red, then we may have a problem, or
that's exactly right.
Cars offline or in maintenance.
That's right.
So I click on one.
And what you're going to see, so this is your track. If you filter it right there,
we just got cars in.
You can just watch the tracks that have cars on it, exactly.
So here we've got 2 red cars on ST15.
That's right. That's the track 15, and both of them are red. So why don't we do this? Why don't we go now to the, the web system?
Okay. Good.
On premise, and we'll take a look and see what information we
have going on those cars.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. So you can see that we have car 2510 and car 1847 actually that are offline.
We need that screen up. So
if the screen is going to show, but
okay, we'll go.
But we're looking at it. We're looking
at a beautiful demo here.
All right. But it would be nice if you could look at it.
So we have a full panel on the server here showing more detail in the cars, et cetera, as to what's online or not. Now, you seem to have more information here than what we've got on the phone. Can I get that information here?
Well, it's funny you should ask. So
I'm poking, and this is as far as I can go right now.
That's as far as I can go. But we actually prepared for you, an implementation, a feature here that we staged on BlueMix.
Robbie gave you a requirement on the way down today?
Gave us a requirement. He said we have to do this before.
Okay.
We actually showcase, so we can actually take you through it.
Okay, sure.
On BlueMix right now. So what you see here right now is the first part. So this is the stage where we stage the code. You can see the first part, which is the REST call from the Node.js server application mobile backend to the cloud integration service, and that's the part that actually gets the data from the on-premise environment, right?
Yep.
Okay, good. The second part, you're going to show the second part, that's the one that implements the actual method that accesses the cloud integration.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and that returns the data, and you can see the parameter ID that will get passed from the client, and that's how we get actually the data. Next, we actually define the GET request, so we kind of keep walking up. We define the GET request, and that's what routes, that's the URL, it routes to the backend so that the client gets the car details, and the only thing that's left now is everything else that we did on the client side, so we can switch to the final part, and we can see the 4 changes we've made here. You'll see that there's a service call to Node.js mobile backend service. And we'll see that there is a method that actually packages, that long method right there. That's the one that packages the data that's going to be displayed on a mobile device. The event handler itself that actually implements the request, and of course your tapping registration and the event listener itself.
Gotcha.
All right, so these are all the changes that we put together. They're all staged, and right now we're going to be ready to go and actually go through the process of committing it, pushing it, and publishing it. And this is all configured with auto-publish, so hopefully this is going to do it all automatically for us.
So with this new feature, I got to dedicate the server to it. I got to wait, 3 months to put it in production. I should see this about Christmas, right?
Yes, 30, 45 seconds.
30 or 45 seconds. Okay. Okay.
All right.
So we're gonna push that change out. You saw the green bar, so it's going live, and maybe we can talk about my red cars.
All right, maybe we can. So why don't we do this? Why don't we switch meanwhile and actually see what happens if on a field we actually fixed it.
Okay.
So let's go switch to the application, and this is the car number 1847. So let's select car number 1847, and somebody's actually going to change it to a go state. So now it's in the no-go, it's red, and we're going to switch it to go. And if you pay attention now. Hopefully, as we update the application live, we're going to be able to see the real-time push notification if everything is working well. Go for it. Hey.
Car status change. Status is go for 1847 on storage track 15. Fantastic.
Fantastic. So if you follow this through, you should be able to see change now live to 1.
So I'm down to 1.
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
And I'm down to 1 in here. Fantastic. This is great.
That's right.
So how about our other change now? Do you think it's through?
Let's hope that the publish is completed. We're going to go back to the dashboard and see if everything is green. Are we all green, Corey? Cool. So that means we're going to get, that's exactly right. So we close the application, reload it back again.
Okay, so we'll pull it back up.
You can still log in, I hope.
I'm still the administrator.
That's still administrator. All right.
So I still got my one car there. Sure.
Yep. Let's take a look. If you can now see that feature live.
Fantastic. More car details directly from the database in San Francisco. Fantastic.
Outstanding.
Fantastic. Now, you guys have both been in consulting quite a bit. So we've taken an existing database on mainframe in San Francisco. We've done extensions to it to allow for push notifications. We've built a mobile app. We've added capability to it. How long would it have normally taken you, before BlueMix and DevOps?
It takes about 6 months to do something like that normally.
How long did it take you to do this prototype?
This time, 15 days.
15 days. 15 days. Fantastic. Thanks, Slavik.
Thank you.
Corey, thank you so much. Fantastic. Are you excited? I am.